Hello viewers and welcome to the news for today. I'm Willen Abba and I'm here to give you detailed information about what is happening in the world at large. Heading to the news of today, which says Lagos State drags Nigerian government to Supreme Court over Magodo Estate crisis. Now the news in details. Amid the convention over the ownership of the land, the federal government accused the Lagos State government of delaying the enforcement of the February 10, 2012 judgment in suit number SC-112/2002. The Lagos State government on Friday announced its return to the Supreme Court despite court initial ruling on the occupation of Magodo Estate. The announcement was made by the state's Information Commissioner, Gbenga. Amid the contention over the ownership of the land, the federal government accused the Lagos State government of delaying the enforcement of the February 10, 2012 judgment in suit number SC-112/2002. Meanwhile, the Southwest governors had condemned the federal government after a chief superintendent of police told Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu that officers deployed to Magodo will not leave. The superintendent had openly told the governor that he and his colleagues were at the estate on orders of the Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, as well as the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami. This had attracted backlash for the AGF, who stated that his office belonged to the executive arm of the government, while the Supreme Court belonged to the judiciary. Malami criticized their unjustifiable insinuation of impunity over the execution of a judgment of Supreme Court. He recalled that the verdict was delivered in 2012, long before the start of Buhari administration. The judgment was a reformation of the judgment of the Court of Appeal and High Court delivered on 31st December 1993. The AGF advised the governors to unreveal what was preventing the Lagos government from enforcing the order despite attempts from 2012 to 2015 and so-called settlement initiative started in 2016. But on Friday, the Lagos State government returned to court, Omotosho noted. He said following Sanwo-Olu's intervention, Lagos officials and representatives of the Shanshiga Landlords Association, the judgment creditors, held a series of meetings. At the said meeting, two issues arose. There was a serious division among the judgment creditors as to who controlled or had the right to represent the association, and the demand by the judgment creditors that a single global certificate of occupancy should be issued in the name of the association as opposed to the position of the state government, that each of the 549 members of the association will be given letters individually. Given the sharp divide between the two factions of the judgment creditors on who has the authority to represent the association and the disagreement regarding whom the certificate of occupancy should be issued, collectively or individually, the state government has approached the Supreme Court to seek further directives and clarification on both issues. Gbenga also confirmed that judgment creditors have been served with the application. The statement reiterated the Lagos State commitment to comply with the Supreme Court judgment once these two issues are resolved. Alright my people, that is it for the news. Well, I think they should resolve this as soon as possible because they are really confusing even the tenants, the people living in the estate. The court should stop adjourning this case and just solve this once and for all. Well my people, that is that for this. Heading to the other news which says, I can't celebrate my 87th birthday while Sunday Igboho is in detention. Yoruba Nation leader Akintoye says agitations continue. Now the news in details. Akintoye, who is the leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Omodua Worldwide, further urged supporters to keep the hope alive. Popular Yoruba historian Prof. Banji Akintoye has said he and all those who believed in actualization of the Yoruba nation will never allow the Nigerian government to criminalize the struggle. Akintoye, who is the leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Omodua Worldwide, further urged supporters to keep the hope alive. He stated this in a statement signed by the Communications Secretary of the Self-Determination Movement, Maswell. Akintoye noted that the Yoruba nation is an idea whose time has come. The statement reads, "Today I clock 87. I thank God for this unusual grace and favor from God. I am grateful to God for the strength, energy, and good health that I am enjoying. My message to the Yoruba people worldwide who are passionate for the country of their own is not to lose hope. I am more than convinced that we are on our way to freedom. Our agitation is an idea whose time has come. We shall keep the struggle alive, and beyond the manipulation of the Nigerian government, we won't allow the Nigerian government to criminalize our struggle. The Yoruba people worldwide are urged never to be relaxed. He added that many Yoruba patriots worldwide plan to celebrate my birthday, but I pleaded with them not to do so in honor of my son and one of the heroes of our struggle, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, called Sunday Igboho. By all of us, I cannot be celebrating my birthday when Sunday Igboho is in detention. Alright, my people, that is it for the news. Well, I see no cause for rejoicing in this country sometimes, like seriously, because suffering and pains are the order of the day in this country. Some people have been in detention facilities for years now, for months. Some are being detained outside the country. For instance, Sunday Igboho and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have been in detention for months now. And I know the agitators are also not happy because they really need a country of their own. In short, all the citizens of this country are suffering as far as I'm concerned because we are having a very bad government. Because our government doesn't even care about us. Anyways, the faster we get a more lasting solution to our problems, because the way this country is moving, I'm not seeing anything like change. It seems it's getting bad or worse each day. Anyways, I just hope and pray for the best. Heading to the other news, which says Osun APC primary, Aregbesola absent, loses word to Oyetola. Now the news in details. Interior Minister Rauf Aregbesola was absent at his Ifofin Ward 8, Ilesha East local government area, even though primary election was held in the area and Governor Oyetola was declared the winner. Oyetola won by 309 votes against 146 recorded for Moshood, the candidate supported by Aregbesola. Speaking with our correspondent, factional chairman of APC in the world, Shahid, alleged manipulation. He also confirmed absence of Aregbesola from the exercise. He said, "We concluded voting, but it is unfortunate that the process did not go smoothly. They brought a party register that was not the original. I supervised the registration and I told those that brought the register that it was not the original. So people that are supporting us, we could not find their names in the register. I told them the list has been tampered with, but they did not listen to me. When they wanted to count, they said those that voted for Oyetola are over 300, and when they counted those that voted for us up to 146 and said they should not count again. They did not bring the result sheet. They just packed their papers and ran away." This is word of Honorable Minister Rauf Aregbesola. I was told when I asked about his whereabouts that Ogbeni went on official assignment. He was not around. Well, my people, that is that for today. We don't know your thoughts and opinion. We'd love you to share it with us at the comment section below. In case you haven't subscribed, we'd love you to do so. Please click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell by the side so that whenever we drop our content, you will be the first person to get notified. Thanks for staying tuned to this very last moment, and God bless you.